Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Soumya. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed till now. This channel is definitely going to be very helpful for you. So be updated with all the opportunities and with the quality content that is definitely going to be very helpful for you for your placement. Make sure to subscribe this channel. Also, when subscribing the channel, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that whenever I'm uploading any video, you can get the notification regarding that. Well, in this video, we are going to talk about some wonderful opportunities for all of you. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Also, guys, I would request all of you to share these recruitment videos among your friends, among your seniors, juniors, whoever is eligible for them, so that they all can know about this sort of opportunities. So the first opportunity that we have is from Amazon. So Amazon is basically hiring for software development engineer, as you can see. Talking about the description, so you can just go through it once. That want to be a part of a startup environment within Amazon to design and build a new fintech payments product right from the scratch. Want to enable hundreds of millions of Amazon customers to shop on Amazon using next generation credit products. Okay, so this is a description. You can just go through it once. Talking about the basic qualifications that they are looking for. So programming experience with at least one modern language such as Java, C++, or C Sharp, including object oriented design. Bachelor's degree in computer science or related field. 0 to 3 years of relevant software development experience. Computer science fundamentals in object-oriented design, computer science fundamentals in data structure, computer science fundamentals in algorithm design, problem solving and complexity analysis, proficiency in at least one modern programming language such as C, C++, Java or Perl. Preferred qualifications are proven results oriented person with a delivery focus, effective verbal and written communication skills, ability to work well with people and be both highly motivated and motivating, ability to handle multiple competing priorities in a dynamic environment, experience with machine learning and statistical analysis is a plus. So basically that will be an added advantage for you, but that's not mandatory. Web services and web application services development experience developing distributed scalable systems and high volume transaction applications in a 24/7 environment. Well, I used to get comments regarding from the students like, मैम हम लोग काफ़ी जगह अप्लाई करते हैं बट हम शॉर्टलिस्ट नहीं हो रहे हैं, या फिर कुछ बच्चे ऐसे भी होते हैं जो अप्लाई नहीं करते हैं बिकॉज दे थिंक दैट मेरा अमेजोन में सिलेक्शन वैसे भी नहीं होगा तो अप्लाई करना इज यूजलेस. बट गाइज आप खुद को रिजेक्ट क्यों कर रहे हो? ये रिजेक्ट और सिलेक्ट करने का काम तो कंपनी का है, राइट? तो अप्लाई करने में क्या, इवन few days back I went through a LinkedIn story, so that was shared by a lady. She is currently working in Google. So she mentioned that whenever during her struggle time, she applied for 200 jobs, out of which only, I guess she mentioned 50 companies shortlisted her and 10 called her for interview, and out of them she was selected only for one. Right, so everyone has their own struggle story. It's not like कि नहीं आ रहा है तो आप अप्लाई करना बंद कर दो. Keep applying guys, because see they are not charging any kind of money from you, and obviously कि आप खुद को ही रिजेक्ट कर दे रहे हो इससे पहले कि कंपनी रिजेक्ट करे, तो प्लीज ये नेगेटिव थॉट्स जो है वो अपने मन से निकाल दीजिए. राइट, सो जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है अप्लाई करिए, कहीं ना कहीं आप डेफिनेटली शॉर्टलिस्ट होंगे. नेक्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी जो है वो हमारी है IBM की तरफ से. तो आप देख सकते हो, दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन गिवन and talking about your roles and responsibilities. So they have mentioned IBM Cloud has a global cloud presence that continues to grow and expand its reach. IBM's cloud developer tools is a core part of our company's strategy and of the IBM Cloud Platform developer experience. This team is responsible for end-to-end inception phase for a new idea to prototyping, development, integration, deployment, and operations monitoring. An IBM Cloud software development engineer will be the key individual responsible for development of new cloud services on the IBM Cloud platform. Okay, so these are also some stuff that you can go through, that we are looking for early tenure backend or full stack software developers to develop a mix of new features and support existing code on critical projects with high visibility. requirement, you can see here it is mentioned that bachelor's degree in computer science from a reputed university college. MS is preferable. So if you're from 20 batch or even from 21 batch, you can apply. Proficiency in at least one of the programming languages like Java, JavaScript, Golang. Strong understanding of object-oriented design principles and pattern. Understanding and experience with RESTful APIs, Kubernetes, database system. Excellent verbal and written communication skills. Strong analytical and problem-solving skills. Positive attitude and eager to learn. Preferred technical and professional expertise is master's or equivalent degree is preferred. Experience in multiple of the following areas is desirable. Passion for software testing and interest in learning emerging technologies. Understanding and experience with cloud technology, microservices, architecture. Fine. So let's talk about another opportunity. So that is from AstraZeneca, as you can see. So AstraZeneca is hiring for technology graduate leadership program. So salary they haven't disclosed as of now. Location is Chennai, mentioned by them. So what does this program involve? So starting in September 21, the technology leadership program comprises of 3 exciting 8-month placement, which could include an international assignment and a rotation in another business area, followed by a year-long consolidation in an area aligned to your passions, skill set, development path, or our business objective. So what could be working on you? You could be responsible for working to deliver technology solutions to help our scientists, sales team, HR and finance areas to do their best, or to be responsible for data sourcing and visualization, enabling our business to make solid data-driven decisions. Even you can go through it once, right? The program's variety and flexibility will allow you to gain an invaluable blend on the job experience and coaching. Now, whichever role you perform, you will build your IT knowledge through utilizing innovative and leading edge technology. Take responsibility for delivering a project or work that adds real value to our business, positively impacting patients' lives. Drive your own development through formal learning and experience with access to our global technology learning platform. Join an established and vibrant global IT early talent community. Have opportunities to get involved in activities that benefit society and our local areas. Benefit from working in a diverse global company where we value and embrace the advantage through diversity. Now, talking about the essential requirements. So, a bachelor's or master's level qualification in either IT, science, technology, engineering, or mathematics awarded in 21. So, this is the opportunity for 21 batch. A passion for technology and its ability to improve the lives of patients. Speed and agility of thought. Confidence expressing opinions and ideas. The ability to identify and drive innovation and fresh thinking. A collaborative approach and work effectively in a team. A strong desire to learn, develop, and achieve their potential, a valid passport, and willingness to travel if required. So you can see the application is going to close on 13th of May 21. So make sure to apply before this date. Okay. So these were the 3 wonderful opportunities for all of you. So don't forget to apply if you are eligible for them. Thank you so much for watching this video, and guys, please do share this video among your friends, juniors, and seniors, whoever is eligible. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.